It is May, and this month is super special because it is Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. And my name is Dr. Jenny Liu. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, so welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, as a proud Asian American, I'm super excited to share with you guys a few of my favorite AAPI brands that I admire and love to really showcase the beautiful, diverse cultures, but also highlight their collective impact globally on the skincare and beauty space. So if that sounds good to you, I would love it if you can give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we can all agree that Asian influence on the beauty space has been huge the past few years. We see viral trends like gua sha and hair oiling. It's been everywhere. On top of that, you have Korean and Japanese skincare really making its way, gaining lots of popularity here in North America. Cool innovations making its way over here. And then in the United States, I really love seeing the Asian Americans, the AAPI founded brands, hearing the stories behind the brand and how much impact their heritage and culture has played a role and when they're founding that brand. I love that because it's something that's really near and dear to my heart, something that's very relatable to me. So today I really want to celebrate that with you guys and really celebrate our heritage collectively. All right, starting off strong with Tower 28, founded by Amy Liu, a true pioneer in the beauty space. So Tower 28 is a clean beauty makeup and skincare line made for sensitive skin. I've definitely talked about this brand quite a few times on this channel here, as well as on my social media, like on Instagram and TikTok. And the story behind Tower 28 is that Amy, who worked over 15 years as a beauty executive for brands like Smashbox, Josie Maran, and Kate Somerville, really had a hard time finding skincare products that didn't trigger her eczema while being at the same time affordable. And that was really how Tower 28 was born, formulating products that aren't irritating for those with sensitive skin, but also being all inclusive of various different skin tones, skin types, and budgets. And I also love the fact that Amy celebrates her heritage. So around Chinese New Year, she actually did this collab with Kung Fu Panda 4. And so their Tower 28 spray and this really lovely cheek and lip product, basically red and Kung Fu Panda themed, which I really love and use myself. So let's talk about these two products because they have a lot of wonderful products. Their concealers is amazing, but I would say by far these two are my favorites from Tower 28. So the SOS Daily Facial Rescue Spray is a spray, as the name implies. You can spray everywhere, not just on your face. I mean, this is the OG hypochlorous acid spray, and really this product shed light on Tower 28 as a brand, but also popularized hypochlorous acid as an ingredient. This is really the first brand that came out with this product, and since then, a lot of brands have come out with their own hypochlorous acid spray. And if you're not familiar with what hypochlorous acid is, it's essentially a really gentle anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial ingredient. It is very similar to what I recommend on a regular basis to my eczema patients, which is dilute bleach bath. They work very similarly. Every eczema patient, I always have a conversation about doing dilute bleach baths regularly as a very important part of their eczema treatment regimen in controlling inflammation and that bacteria burden. Now in the spray in skincare, it's going to be a lot more gentle and less irritating. So what you're getting here is basically soothing and calming benefits on eczema prone skin, rosacea prone skin, and also acne. Like if you're prone to acne, this is great to spray like when you're on the go on your chest or back after working out or something like that, if you can't shower immediately. Or for example, those that struggle with acne from mask, that friction, spraying this on your face or even on the underside of your mask may help to reduce some of that acne flare. But yeah, it's just a very multifunctional spray that can be used to really soothe, calm skin, and support your skin barrier. And the other product I just want to quickly mention, it's the Beach Please Lip and Cheek Cream Blush. It's just a really pretty color. I love this one in red, which is actually really subtle, and I love the fact it actually is just really hydrating and subtle, but gives you just like a little pop of color. Great to wear daily. I love this red one. I think this may be a limited edition because of like Kung Fu Panda 4 and Chinese New Year. But the other ones I love, I've tried, is like a pink color. And actually I really love, I forgot the name, but it's called like a sun-kissed peach color that is very subtle. Great not only as blush, but also on the eyelid as like a creamy eyeshadow. Love the fact it's hydrating. It contains like aloe vera extract, green tea extract, and castor seed oil. And it's very creamy. And I love the fact that you can use it on your lip. It almost kind of doubles as like a lip balm or lip gloss, and then just like dab it on your cheek for a little bit of pop of color, like a dewy finish. So really pretty yet subtle at the same time. Next up is Cocokind, founded by Priscilla Tsai in 2015. Cocokind is a conscious and botanically forward skincare line that's really about gentle skin hydration and supporting your skin barrier. That is like music to my ears. And Priscilla is very impressive, and she was a former Wall Street investment banker and had one goal in mind, which is basically providing customers with a gentle, simple ingredient formulations that could make them feel good inside and out. And she personally struggled with skin sensitivity as well as acne. So she really knew that creating sustainable products for those skin concerns is not easy and not always accessible to everyone. And so that was really why she quit her formal job and created Cocokind. And I really love this quote from Priscilla. I started Cocokind to change the status quo of the beauty industry and to break the cycle of aspirational beauty. Now, I also love the fact that Priscilla really utilizes ingredients derived from Asian culture, like turmeric, matcha, sake, aloe, and overall, basically, again, using those ingredients naturally to help improve skin hydration and skin barrier function. First, the Cocokind Ceramide Barrier Serum. This is a holy grail serum for skin barrier support and hydration, really made with wonderful ingredients to not only reduce transepidermal water loss, but also hydrate your skin, keep your skin hydrated, plump, supple, and also help to support your skin's own ceramide production, so supporting your skin barrier function and health. Ingredient-wise, it is made with 5 different ceramides along with ceramide precursors that again support your skin's internal ceramide production, along with blend of fatty acids and humectants like beta-glucan. I love the fact that it is a milky emulsion like serum. It is hydrating, but lightweight and fast absorbing. So very elegant and great to use with your other actives if you choose, and in a very non-irritating way, and it doesn't really interact with your other actives. So great to use once a day or twice a day or as needed. And I do have to put in a plug for their Silk SPF. If you're looking for a predominantly mineral-based filter that is silky, smooth, elegant, leaves no white cast, it's hydrating but not heavy, and gives off a dewy finish, this is one you must try. Next up is Glow Recipe, a personal favorite brand of mine, and I've talked about a lot of products from this brand on my channel here in previous videos. It's founded in 2014 by 2 best friends, Christine Chang and Sarah Lee. Essentially, they just wanted to make a brand simplifying skincare, Korean skincare for the everyday American. And the name, I love the story behind it. It really was inspired by the fact that in Korea, whether it's spas or derma offices, you can find various different glows like water glow and honey glow. And I think essentially describing different types of treatments you can get. And so basically everything from the ingredients down to the packaging is really inspired by their Korean heritage. And I have so many favorites from them, but I'm going to, for the sake of this video, dedicate it to only 2. It was a very hard choice, but I have to give it away to first Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. This is one of the first, I find, fairly affordable liposoluble vitamin C serum that I just fell in love with. It is so elegant, and I feel like it really does so many different things. And it's not only an antioxidant serum, but also has wonderful ingredients that helps to brighten skin. So for those that wanting something to help with reducing oxidative stress in the morning, but also at the same time struggling with uneven skin tone, this is a great one. And liposoluble vitamin C is also far less irritating. I love the hydrating texture of the serum. Ingredient-wise, it contains 5 different types of vitamin C. So liposoluble vitamin C, THC, ascorbate, along with other ones that helps to mostly brighten, but also contains guava seed oil that is rich in vitamin C, also has vitamin E, ferulic acid, and then tranexamic acid that is one of my favorite ingredients for brightening and improving uneven skin tone. I love the pretty color of the serum, and again, it's very hydrating, so really ideal for those who are looking for a non-irritating vitamin C serum. So for those who can't tolerate the traditional pure vitamin C, looking for an antioxidant serum, but at the same time help to brighten your skin, improve uneven skin tone, this is the one to try and to get. And the last one is the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. If you watch my videos by now, you're probably so sick of me recommending this product because I've talked about it so many times. But this is also one of my favorite products from them. There's just something about this cleanser. Like, it is so yummy. If I can use yummy to describe like a skincare product, it is just so delicious. And like, I literally want to eat it up. But it makes me also really, hungry. It is just so elegant and like makes my skin feel so good after I use it. It is kind of this milky lotion to foam, gently suds, and your skin like feels more hydrated and like refreshed afterwards in a really good way. I mean, of course, has ceramides in there, pre and postbiotics to help to support your skin barrier. It does a gentle cleanse, but at the same time, like I said, imparts this hydration on your skin so your skin does not feel stripped. So highly recommend for anyone looking for like a gentle cleanser to use in the morning, or say as like the second step of your double cleansing. For anyone that have like dry and eczema prone skin, highly recommend checking this cleanser out. So the next brand, I don't think I've ever talked about it on my YouTube channel here. I definitely have shared reels on my Instagram years back. I think it is one worth mentioning, and it's called You Beauty by Tina Chen Craig. So Tina is an entrepreneur. She is really very active in the fashion, beauty, and skincare space. And if you're familiar with Bag Snob, Tina founded that in 2015, I believe. It's a blog where she shared a lot of fashion and lifestyle posts. And I mean, she is a celebrity in her own ways. Many of her friends are celebrities. I really wanted to share this brand because even though it's not something that I typically talk about, it's definitely more like luxury, high end. I feel like Tina has done an amazing job really bringing awareness to the AAPI community and supporting the Asian American community, especially during COVID, when there was a lot in the beginning attack on Asian Americans here in the United States. She was very outspoken about that and did everything she could to support the community in that regard. And so I actually had the pleasure of working with Tina years back, doing some collaborations on You Beauty, and I was able to actually learn the science behind the formulation, her story, and so really wanted to share that here in this video today. So a couple of things that's really worth mentioning. The story behind why Tina founded You Beauty was that even though she really appreciated and valued the 10-step skincare routine in Korea and Asia, she felt like for most people that's not doable. And so what she wanted to do is formulate in a way where you can condense that into maybe a couple products instead of a 10-step and still get those benefits. One quote I really loved from Tina that speaks really truly about Asian culture and her being Asian American is that in my culture, having good skin means having self-love and a sense of confidence. You Beauty is self-confidence in a bottle. So I just really love that. And so what she utilizes is something called Siren capsule or Siren technology. It's patent pending. Essentially, it's a way of formulating the actives around a capsule where the capsules, once applied onto your skin, breaks down where you need it, if that makes sense. So it kind of finds its way to where there's more inflammation, if that's how they make the capsule, so it breaks down more readily, delivering, for example, lipids and ceramides, or say encapsulating the actives in such a way where you can actually formulate multiple irritating actives together, but when it's encapsulated in such a way, you get the benefits minus the irritation. Now, I personally have quite a few products that I really like from You Beauty, but the one that I want to highlight that is their bestseller is the resurfacing compound. Essentially, if I can describe it, it's like your solution to common skincare concerns in one bottle. Whether it's pores, fine lines, uneven skin texture, skin tone, dullness, this is the one to use because it really is formulated in a way where it has all the common ingredients that we talk about and recommend in one bottle, but in a way that is gentle, but yet effective and not irritating. And so it's got your antioxidants, it's got your stabilized vitamin C, stabilized retinol, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, as well as your alpha hydroxy acids. And it's creamy and hydrating, but not heavy or greasy, very elegant. And it's, like I said, super gentle that you should actually be using it twice a day. And so to get the results that you're looking for. So really kind of, like I said, really helps to address most of the skin concerns that we encounter day to day with one product. And so if you're looking for something to really simplify your routine, to kind of condense those 10 steps into one, this would be the one to use. Last but not least, the brand I really want to highlight is Hero Cosmetics, founded by Juru back in 2017. So I really love Hero Cosmetics because number one, they're really the OG of acne patches. They are the ones that popularized them in North America, here in the western side of the world. Certainly acne patches have been around a long time in Korea and Japan, but it was really Hero Cosmetics that made them known to everybody else in the world. And the story behind Juru founding Hero Cosmetics was the fact that, number one, she struggled with acne, but also having sensitive skin, and just didn't really deal well with traditional acne treatments, causing more sensitivity. And when she went back to Korea, she discovered hydrocolor patches as a way of helping to treat with acne, and that's why she brought them here to the US market. I also love the fact that, by doing so, she also normalizes like the stigma of acne. Like, we all get acne. There's no perfect skin, but having good skin doesn't mean you don't have acne, right? And it's all about how to manage it and how to take care of your skin in the best way possible. And so hydrocolor patches, as I mentioned, is actually a type of wound dressing that we as dermatologists have been using for a long time to heal various types of wounds. And I love that fact that even though it's not the best acne treatment, it gives people options and certainly can be a great part of your overall acne treatment regimen for a couple reasons. Number one, if you are like an impulsive picker, it definitely helps to protect your skin so you're less likely to pick, therefore lead to hyperpigmentation and scars. And two, it can help to reduce friction. So if you wear masks, and mask is what breaks you out, it can protect your skin that way. Nowadays, the patches have gotten really elegant. There can be even actives in the patches to help, say, reduce hyperpigmentation, or those like from Hero Cosmetics that are invisible, that are great under makeup, or even larger ones that you can put on your chin if you are like me, prone to hormonal breakouts, etc. So I just find that it, again, just gives another way of helping to treat your acne, protect your skin while your acne is healing. And certainly if you have like a juicy pimple, those patches can help to suck things out and again make the acne, hopefully help the acne resolve more quickly. So it's just another win-win situation. So really wanted to highlight Hero Cosmetics here, and they're popularizing hero patches and like destigmatizing acne as a whole. All right, guys, so those are just few of my favorite AAPI brands. There are so many, and literally this video will go on all day. So please make sure brands that I did not mention that you really love, comment them below. And also, don't forget to click on the links below. Please shop and support these amazing brands. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.